Hi, I'm Obiora. I'm passionate about food security using simple technologies to achieve reduction of food wastage. Some times ago, I made a video of a solar dehydrator prototype that uses heat energy from the sun. But in that particular prototype, it uses conventional energy. Now I want to show you another prototype that uses another means of transfer of energy. We have three major ways of transferring energy, and that is conduction, convection, and radiation. Now, in conduction, it's all about transferring through a material. For convection, it's all about transferring through the air. But for radiation, you transfer energy through a vacuum. I mean, you can transfer energy without a material. It can go through space. And that is how the sun is able to heat us up, because it doesn't need to heat up the air so that we can get the heat energy. You can see, even as I am now, I can be feeling the heat of the sun, yet at the same time I'm feeling a cold breeze. This is because of radiation. So I consider that it is more advantage to use radiation in heating food than using convection, as I did earlier before. I saw other works also in and videos, people using this radiation, especially in heating homes, and I thought of making a prototype that could use this same method to heat food, and that is what I want to show you in this video. As you can see, this is a glass or polycarbonate. You can either use glass or polycarbonate based on, the different situation. But glass, both of them can work as well. But polycarbonate I use it because of the lightness, and then it's not easy to, unlike glass that quickly is very brittle and very fragile. The polycarbonate at least can stand some impact to a great extent compared to glass. And most of the things I use here are repurposed. I did it because I was just making a prototype. So as you can see, the essence of this is for radiant heat to pass through this glass and get to that black surface. That's an aluminium surface, so it's painted black so that it can absorb heat. When it absorbs the radiant heat, it acts as to transmit the heat to the food. Now you can look, you'll see that's it. So you don't need to paint here black, of course, because this way is facing the food up, and as well it doesn't need to be black. So when the black surface is heated up and it traps the heat, and it's transferred into the chamber. If you can see inside the chamber, I align it with a reflective material just to reflect the heat back to the food. That's the essence of all you are seeing there. And then you can see these are the material in there. This was some onion and pepper, a remnant used in cooking. I have to dry them up so that they wouldn't waste. Yes, very important. And that's how we keep it. I had to, all the remaining the pepper and the onion, cut them and dry them up. Now I added a bulb, electric bulb here as a backup. You see, where I am, the weather is not predictable. The sun can come and go at any time, so you don't want to be disappointed. So you have this as a backup, and that's what I did. See, this is suspended. It's suspended, so air flows from under. Yeah, see, air flow from under through another end here. Yeah. Yes, yeah, flows through here. So and that is how it dries. So when it is heated up and the food is warm, the air flows to take out the moisture out of this space. So and it works very well. It's a simple technology, that's why it's very interesting. If you use proper materials to design this, it could achieve any results you want it to achieve when it comes to dehydration. And if you want to produce this dehydrator, and you need me to give you a diagram or dimensions or to produce it, you can email me and I will give you just that. However, I have a book that is coming very soon. The title is So Nothing is Wasted, and it's coming with a complete guide on making this dehydrator. Full complete guide, not just the diagram, not just the dimensions, but how you can do it step by step, and how you can also scale it up if you want to make a bigger commercial version. It's all in that book, so just watch out for the book. It's coming very soon, so if you can wait for the book, that will be perfect. Or in case you can't wait, you just want a dimension of this particular one, just email me, and my email is on the description part of this channel. Just go get my email me, and I'll give you a dimension of this particular one. But if you are going to wait to get the book, it has a complete drawing guide step to step on how to make this, and also how to scale it in case you are doing a commercial version. So my aim and my greatest desire is to see how we reduce food wastage globally and have enough food to feed the growing population. Join me in this move as we ensure that nothing is wasted.